He may call himself the outsider in the District 19 race, but congressional candidate Kurt Clausen is getting some big political insider support. Former Congressman Connie Mack was in Fort Myers today publicly endorsing Clausen. 4 in Your Corner Sarah Balsol was at a news conference and has more on why Mack says the former athlete and CEO is right for the job.
The Honorable Connie Mack.
District 19 congressional candidate Kurt Clausen adding another big name to his roster. Connie Mack and Clausen appeared side by side for the first time since Mack endorsed the former collegiate basketball star earlier this week.
Southwest Florida deserves someone in Washington who's not going to be a just go along, get along, whether it's Republican or Democrat, but someone that's going to stand up for our values.
And most valuable? Mack says Clausen's desire to get the economy moving and get the country's debt under control.
You know, there's not a lot of CEOs in Washington, D.C.
Clausen endorsed Mack's penny plan as the best way to balance the federal budget.
1%, just 1 penny per dollar, over 10 years would be $7.5 trillion in deficit reduction.
And wants to pair that plan with his plan to increase the nation's economic growth by 5%. The 5-point plan focuses on reforming corporate tax code, easing financial burdens on small businesses, and health care reform.
Getting your way out of debt will be much easier if we get the economy moving again.
Mack says it's these ideas combined with Clausen's business experience that makes him the perfect candidate.
That understands the importance of fiscal responsibility and that has actually lived in the real world.